How to get Disney Plus for free. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can get Disney Plus for absolutely free. Now, for those of you who don't know, Disney Plus had just launched this new app where you can watch like all of their content, all of their movies and stuff they be putting out right here on your cell phone. Well, at least all the movies that are PG-13, it'll be right here on your cell phone. You should be able to watch it. It's a new streaming service, new on-demand ad-free streaming service where they would have all the movies and stuff. And they basically launched it this Tuesday, so it just came out, and I know it's a lot of people probably wondering, how do they download it and how to get it for free. And I'm gonna see if I can answer some of the questions in this video, and at the same time show y'all how to get it for free as well. All right. But before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you for watching, and it will really help my channel a lot if you can give this video a thumbs up to just help my channel grow, and it'll help me come back again and create more content for you guys to watch. All right. So as y'all can see, man, it's very simple to first you got to download the Disney Plus app, and then I'm gonna tell you how to get it for free. It's real easy. It's really something basic you can do. God. All right, so step number one, the first thing you need to do in order to get Disney Plus is very simple. What you're gonna do is go into the App Store on your iOS device, and once you open up the App Store, it should say Disney Plus. Like, that should be the first app that pops up. But if it doesn't for you, go ahead and type in Disney Plus in the search bar here. So just hit search and type in Disney Plus. But as you can see, it's already on the top of the screen. So you would click on it, and you would download it. All right, so let me download it. This is step number one. Download it from the App Store. Then I'm gonna tell you guys how you can get Disney Plus on your TV as well. Like if you got a smart TV or something like that, and you want to watch the movies and stuff on your TV, I'll tell you a way to do that. So keep watching, continue to watch this entire video, because you're gonna love the content. All right, so as you can see, guys, I got Disney Plus right here open. Hold on, let me read some of this description just for a second. Hold on. It say, what's new? Introducing Disney Plus, the new home for endless access to the best movies and TV shows from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic, and more. From new release to your favorite classic and exclusive originals, there's always something new to discover. So this app is going to have all of the movies and stuff that Disney has been releasing over the years. You know, even the old stuff like the old Lion King, Cinderella, all of that stuff is just going to be in this simple app right here. As you can see, here are some of the movies and stuff they have. The best stories in the world, all in one place. So you have all of this stuff in one app, which is dope. So you don't no longer have to go to like any store and search for these movies and stuff. It's gonna all be right here on your iPhone or your tablet, which I think is very dope. This is like a cool thing that Disney is doing. It's basically, I mean, I kind of had a feeling they was going to put something like this out, because it was a bunch of other services like Netflix and Hulu and all of those services doing so well. It's not really like brand new to me why Disney would put out their own streaming platform, because it just makes sense, as far as business goes. But anyway, let me quit talking about that. Let me go ahead and show you guys how you can get Disney Plus for absolutely free. It's very simple, and this is something you guys could have figured this out on your own. But since you're watching my channel, I guess I'll go and show you. We're gonna go ahead and open the Disney Plus app. All right, and once we are inside of the app, once the app is open, it's very simple. Let me read this for you guys. It says the best stories in the world all in one place, Pixar. So look at that, Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars. They got it all in one place. So right here, guys, it says, this is how you get it for free. Start free trial. So it's absolutely free to download, and you will get it for free. It say start streaming Disney Plus with your 1 week free trial. Then only $6.99 a month. So you get it. They basically giving it to you for free. You don't have to do any secret technique or anything like that. They basically saying you can get it for free right now. All you have to do is download it and download the app and then start your free trial. That's all you have to do. So just go to your app store, type in Disney Plus, download it, and once you open the app, it lets you know you can get a free trial. All you got to do is start the free trial. And if you don't want to pay the extra $6.99 a month, you can simply just cancel the membership. You don't, basically you get it for free. And then if you don't want to keep paying or something like that, you just cancel it. So I'm guessing you're going to need at least to have a credit card to sign up. So let me just click on start trial. All right, and read this stuff while y'all watching this video. That way y'all don't have to read it when you grab your phone. So enter your email. Look like you're going to enter your email there. Keep that checked. Okay, so let me go here and enter an email. Give me 1 second, guys. Enter this email. Okay. Bear with me. Let's just see what happens. Just keep watching to see what happens. All right. And this is not really my email, so all right, let's just see what happens. All right, create a passcode. Okay. Okay, let's just make one. Okay. All right, guys, so I had now just put in my email and I had created a passcode. So what happened was Disney has sent me an email to my inbox. So I'm guessing you guys have to go to your inbox. All right, start your 1 week free trial. It says this right here, restart purchase. It said by tapping the monthly or annual subscription button below, you are enrolling in automatic payments of the amount selected below, plus tax where applicable. That's a tongue twister. But then it says beginning at the end of your free trial, that will continue until you cancel. All right, so after the 7 days, what this is saying is after the 7 days, they're going to be taking $6.99 out a month. Or if you want it for a year, it's $69.99. So every year they'll take that out of your, credit card or whatever. But they said here that you can cancel at any time. So once you cancel, then they won't be taking the money out anymore. So, you'll have it free for 7 days. All right. It say you can cancel at any time, effective at the end of the billing period. There are no refunds or credits for partial months or years. So if you want to cancel, be sure to cancel. But if you want to keep the contract, keep it going, then just you don't have to cancel. All right. So I'm going to choose $6.99. See, I didn't enter a credit card yet, so we'll see what happens. $6.99 free trial. See, I would have to verify it. I'm not going to verify it in this video because, of course, I'm not going to download it right now. So I'm just showing you guys, I'm just walking you guys through the process. Complete subscription, you're only 1 step away. So once you complete your subscription, you have it for absolutely free. That's all you have to do, guys. And that's basically how you get Disney Plus for absolutely free. But let me go back on what I just said to you guys, just to clear it up, just for the people who probably still don't understand what I did. So what I did, guys, I went into the Disney App Store. The App Store on your iPhone. So any device you're on, go to the App Store. If you're on your tablet, go to the App Store. You're on your TV or whatever, wherever got the App Store. If you have an Apple TV or something, that's Apple TV. And then let me tell you guys how to hook it up, how you can watch it off your TV and stuff like that. So just keep paying attention, keep watching this video. I know it's a little long, but I'm not going to make it too long. So just keep watching. As you can see, you just open the app, you download it, you open it up. And once you Once you open the app, you go through here, put in your email. You're going to create a passcode. They're going to send you they're going to send you an email. So go and check your email, go into your inbox and check the email that they send you. And then you get your free trial. The trial lasts for 7 days. All right. Then after the 7 days, that's when they would take like the money out every month, which is $6.99, which is not a lot of money, to be honest with you. I mean, because it's a lot of people that go buy movies all the time. Like, you saving a lot of money just for having this app. So $6.99 a month is really not a lot of money. I'm definitely going to get it and pay my little money every month to have it. All right, now let me show you what you got to do to hook it up so that you can watch it on your TV. It's very simple too. All you got to do, if you got an iPhone like me, what you got to do is go buy, just find a way. I'm going to say this, just find a way to hook it up to your television. And then when you do like what's called screen mirroring, which your basically whatever's on your iPhone shows up on your TV, that is a way you can watch the movies on your TV by doing screen mirroring. All right, and another thing you can do is it's a what they call it, like a flash drive for your iPhone. You can go to like apple.com and buy it, but it's a flash adapter. It's a flash HDMI adapter. I think that's what they call it. I'll put a link in the description, so check the description box to see if I got it down there. But you would buy you one of those if you don't have one already, and you'll just plug it underneath, plug it inside of your phone, and it'll have like this HDMI little thing you can get on there. You just hook a HDMI cable into it and hook the HDMI cable into the back of your TV, and you will be able to watch the movies like that. All right, so again, I hope this video was helpful. Could you guys please give it a thumbs up? I would highly respect that. I would highly love it, because it will help my channel grow. The more my channel grow, the more I can come and provide more good content for you guys. And subscribe if you haven't done so. I highly recommend you guys subscribe for more related videos. You know, I do gameplay videos on my channel, but I also do technology videos. So if y'all want to know how to, get free downloads and stuff like that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hopefully this video was helpful. If y'all have any questions, leave it in the comment section. If there's something that y'all want to just say, some type of positive, if y'all got any positive feedback, I highly recommend you leave it in the comment section. And I will speak to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. I'll see y'all later. Okay, guys, so I found the piece that I was just talking about that you need to buy in order to hook it up to your TV. It's this piece right here, but see how it got like the HDMI cable. You could basically plug this into your phone and then hook your TV HDMI cable in here and then plug it into your television. And that's how you'll be able to watch the actual show from your, from your phone. As you can see, Apple Lightning to digital AV adapter is what it's called. I will have a link for it in the description. You can purchase it from my link if you want to. I will get a small commission, or you can, just get it yourself. It doesn't matter. But this is definitely the piece that you need to hook it up to your television. If you're on iPhone, if you're on Android, however you guys, I'll put it like this. However you guys hook up your phone to your TV, do that. If you know another way to do it, do that. All right. And that's how you can watch the movies and stuff from, Disney Plus to your television. All right. Again, I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more related content to the content that you're getting right now. And also, leave a comment in the comment section below. I will speak to you guys soon. See you later.